Install the strike on the frame with the supplied screws, with the strike lip oriented toward the pull side of the door. Make sure the lock body is unlocked and insert the lock body into the door. Secure by hand tightening the supplied screws. For cylinder functions only, slide the cylinder through the spring, spacer, and collar, and thread into the lock body until cylinder face is flush with the collar and the Sargent logo is horizontal and on the top portion of the cylinder. If needed, pull the key slightly out of the cylinder to help thread. Next, fully tighten the cylinder set screw. Insert the spindle from adapter plate kit into the lock body. Slide the plastic template over spindle and square the template to the edge of door. Mark the 2 through-bolt holes. Remove the template and spindle and drill the through-bolt holes with a 9/16" drill bit. Insert the spindle in the outside trim assembly. Align the 4 mounting posts with the through-bolt holes in the door, keeping lever in an up position. Install the outside trim assembly. After the trim is installed, rotate the lever to make sure the spindle is engaged in lock. Insert the spindle from the adapter plate kit into the lock body on the inside of the door. Make sure the adapter plate tab and set screw hole face the lock front. Slide the inside adapter plate over the spindle and install the inside adapter plate with 2 No. 8 adapter mounting screws. Install the inside trim assembly. When installing, keep the lever in an up position and use the cast-in posts on back of escutcheon to help align the trim. Install 2 No. 10 and 1 No. 8 escutcheon mounting screw through the inside escutcheon. Tighten the inside lever set screw with a security Torx screwdriver. Install the lock front with 2 security Torx screws. After the trim is installed, rotate lever to make sure spindle is engaged in lock.